The Honorable Minister will flag them off simultaneously.
Adingirir na etemo kit Teso Karamoja Media Agency nesi eralo skinet Kanu aiwe eiworo loda kamanara keda Isuban Edeke.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Apolone Cholong Teso Karamoja Media Agency Julius Esegu Yesabu Otemaebe Aina Petangun Nesi Epote Etolomun Aina Petanu Ikamanara Keda Airayone Kito.
This is an opportunity not just for us to, celebrate, the wonders of the environment, but also for you to make a contribution towards greening Teso, because that is the major and the core objective of this this run. We want to ensure that even as we have these rains that naturally come every other time, we should be able to make the best use of this to be able to plant trees that is going to make our Teso green again. Climate change is real, and we want to try to make a contribution towards the reversal of the negative effects of climate change.
Aina Petangun Nuyara Ikinete Kesi Aja Ikina Alarona Bolia Show Koibuga Soroti Dr. Clement Ongalo Obote Loda Tegiari Adingirir Yesabu Ilip Iteso Ajinebe Itopolorete Airayona Ikito.
Experience famines, we are going to experience drought. And let me tell you, at some point, those of you who will be unfortunate enough to be alive then, you may have to mutate. You know what mutating is? You have to change your own physical structure genetically in order to be able to survive in those conditions. So we have to take the environment very seriously.
Gabriel Esiko, Kanuka TV East, Koibuga Soroti.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.